deviled chicken casserole. So we're gonna start the pasta and undercook it by a couple minutes because it's a casserole and it's gonna pop back in the oven a little later. So we wanna undercook that pasta a little bit because it's gonna keep cooking in the oven. Whenever we cook dry pasta, we liberally salt the water, right? You want the water itself to have flavor because it's the only chance you get to flavor the pasta itself. So to a pound of pasta, in the pan, we've got going some celery, a couple of ribs of celery, and a large onion. And I put a little salt on this so it would sweat out. Next, we're going to add the garlic in. I'm using all the flavors that I use when I make deviled eggs in real life, you know. I often garnish them with a little minced celery green. I always put in onion and garlic.
They'll keep away the vampires.
Exactly, and it helps with vampires too. You can use prepared mustard or a couple teaspoons of dry mustard, either or. We need mustard, of course, in deviled eggs, right? And we have to have hot sauce in deviled eggs. So a little hot sauce. Now, if you have a family or you want to keep it mild, open the top and do this. We like things hot, so I do this. So, up to you. I can't see you. Do what you like at home, but I want this to taste like deviled eggs in the end. So, we mush that together. I'm gonna add a little dash of Worcestershire. I'm gonna add a little Old Bay. This is the color I wanted. See how the onions are now translucent and it's just turning into this delicious kind of spicy mush? Now we're gonna sprinkle in a couple tablespoons of flour to thicken our sauce. And now we're gonna add in a couple of cups of warm milk. To make our gravy nice and creamy. And now we're going to take our help from the grocery store and we're going to add a rotisserie chicken. Mama loves you. So we're gonna add, listen, it's a busy holiday night, right? So we're just gonna throw in some rotisserie chicken. And now we're going to do our flipperoo. Once we warm that chicken through, if you buy it that day, I'm sure it's probably still warm from when you brought it home from the store, right? But now we just fill this into our dish. We're gonna take a little of our starchy cooking water just before we drain the pasta and add it to our dish so that it marries the sauce to the pasta. Turn this off. Honey, grab me a mopping, that bottom cupboard there. Thanks. Then we're gonna drain the pasta shy of being done. Remember, a couple minutes shy. Ooh, heavy baby. Boop. Pasta with chicken. Fold all this together in that nice spicy gravy. Ah, no. Yes. I want more Red Hot and Old Bay on mine. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. And then you take, a few cups of sharp cheddar cheese. Yes. That's my kind of candy, baby. And then you take this baby and pop her in the oven till it gets nice and golden and gooey and delicious. So this is deviled chicken casserole with hard-boiled eggs. And that's a traditional thing for the southern version of this dish. And guess what I did to them over the break? I Old Bayed them. That is absolutely gorgeous and dreamy. So now we're gonna scatter over our eggs and then we hit them with some green herbs.
That smells
all
incredible.
over the top. It smells incredible, right?
Oh my God.